So today we'll be making the snowman inspired jar. So let's get to crafting. So begin by removing the lid. And since I can't really paint in my bedroom, I will be painting in my living room, so the next part will be a voiceover. Let's head over to the painting table. So to start, you're going to take some acrylic paint, just pour a bunch into your jar, and then I used a paintbrush to spread it, and you're gonna want to make sure that you can't see inside the jar because this is a snowman. You can use a blow dryer or just set it aside to dry, and then it's time to move on to the next part. Okay, this turned out really cute and I really like it so far, but this is Craftmas. So we're going to be turning this into a snowman themed jar. For the next part, I will be doing this in Cricut Design Space. Measure the flat side of your jar, and okay, yes, I can work with that. I think I will be making each of my circles at 1/2 inch. This design, just add 3 circles to your canvas, and I ended up making each of mine 0.6 wide, and then I just lined them up. Add your vinyl to your mat, and then it is time to cut it out. Next, prep your vinyl to put it on your jar by removing all of the excess vinyl. Then add your transfer tape and use your brayer to smooth it down. Then remove your vinyl from the white backing. Then take your jar and add your design to the middle of your jar. Then use your brayer to smooth it down. Then remove your transfer tape. I love it. Where is the lid? Here's the lid. Okay, now to add the final touches to your little snowman inspired jar. To finish off your project, take some ribbon and tie a bow in the front of your jar. So this is how it turned out. I think it turned out so cute. I love the ribbon. This looks so good, and I'm so glad I made this. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays!